What's up, YouTube? Bringing you a new video teaching you how to meditate, and we're low-key going to do a little bit of a guided meditation. You can use it as a guided meditation. But for the most part, in this video, I want to show you how to meditate. And I know a lot of people may think like, oh, this is very intimidating, and it can be sometimes with the way that, society and the way that, people may make it seem to be. Like when you meditate, you're supposed to be out here levitating and shit. Like, you can get there, I believe, but there's still steps to this shit. You feel me? There's levels to this shit. So the first thing you want to do is, first of all, you may see me on the left or the right, sitting down and taking my breathing. And the first thing you want to do is focus on taking long and deep breaths. You want to learn how to control your breathing. So when you are controlling your breathing, you are actually able to get in a more calm and harmonious state. So by controlling your breathing, you want to take long, deep breaths in and let it out. And the level of peace that you feel right after letting that breath out is what you want to aim for. So when you are taking these deep breaths out, what you want to do is you literally want to release your shoulders, straighten your spine, and allow all tension to release from your body as you're continuously breathing in and breathing out. But I would recommend you do this around the breathing out phase. So here's the thing, when you're meditating, you want to be able to sit here and imagine also. You want to be able to imagine the energy and the stress and the tension releasing your body. And when you're also meditating, you don't want to sit here and force your mind to quiet, because you're going to give yourself a headache. Trust me. What you want to do is you want to watch your thoughts. And what you'll understand is over time, as you do this practice of watching your thoughts, not judging them and letting them pass, you'll realize how fast and easy it is to quiet your mind. Is there a way of reaching a total level of silence? I feel like there's a way of doing that. But in order to do that, you have to be okay with the thoughts, and you understand that your thoughts are not yours. So for example, I can say something right now and you can go take it to somebody else, but that thought wasn't yours, if you know what I'm saying. So you want to take your deep breaths in, and if you're manifesting, you want to go ahead and just simply visualize what you want to happen. If you're just here to meditate for, anxiety reasons or to calm yourself down, you want to focus on getting a long, steady, full breath. Meditation will help you in so many things. I have another video teaching you about the benefits of meditation. I'll link it up. So in this meditation, you want to go ahead and allow yourself to feel all the subtle energy around you. You want to go and start from your feet. You want to feel the vein, feel the blood, feel your feet, feel everything within your feet, feel the cells. Then you want to move up to your calves, move up to your knees, move up to your thighs, and so on up. You want to feel every single part of your body and put as much attention as possible. Another thing that you can also do is focus on your chakras. You could go from your root chakra all the way up to your crown chakra, going through each chakra and sending energy to it. How do I send energy to my chakras? By imagining and setting the intention that you're putting energy to. What you got to understand is the truth is mostly things that you cannot see. So just because you cannot see it does not mean you can't bring energy to your chakras. Energy, oxygen, the source, we know that those things are true, but we can't see it. Do you get what I'm saying? So don't let your beliefs limit you, okay? So as you're going through your chakras, I open this chakra, I cleanse this chakra, setting intentions and knowing what you want to do. Also, when you're meditating, you want to allow yourself to be in the moment, and you need to understand that it is okay to have thoughts that come in and make their way known, and just sit there. And it's okay to go think about pizza once in a while and shit like that. So it's okay, but what you want to do is you want to allow yourself that. You want to, sometimes you may just want to see what pops up and just look at it, allow it and be. It's almost like listening to a radio station. The radio station isn't your voice. The radio station isn't what your thoughts are, but you're just listening to it as you go by. Sometimes you ignore it, sometimes you keep it going, you know what I'm saying? So you want to be aware of yourself. You want to be aware of your body. Are you feeling any pains? Where are you feeling it at? And you want to just sit there, and as long as you can go, you got to understand, just because you don't meditate for an hour, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, that's okay. 5 minutes, a minute, 2 minutes, 30 seconds is something every day. You're like, you know what I'm saying? It's just growth and progress. And I don't expect the person who's meditating for the first time to go 2 hours, because that can be very difficult. You know what I'm saying? I'm stuck at like around 30 minutes, and you know, that's just me doing like deep meditations. But the farther you go in these meditations, you will feel subtle energies. And sometimes people who may be a little bit more advanced, you'll start to feel yourself vibrate. You'll start to feel the energy. You'll start to feel, you know, like you're going somewhere, like you're floating. And the feelings that you get after meditation are completely worth the struggle of learning how to meditate, if you get what I'm saying. But for the most part, you want to sit here with your breath. You want to allow yourself to breathe. You want to take long, deep, full breathing, and you want to practice that. You want to get control of your breathing. You want to get into a deep state of meditation. You want to allow yourself to feel anything that you may not be able to feel in your everyday life. And what I mean by that is feeling the most subtle things. If you can allow yourself to focus, and if you can allow yourself to feel, you could just motherfucking feel the energy around you. You could feel your magnetic field. You can feel your aura. These things that you can feel if you focus on, you know, feeling the subtle energy. So, with that being said, this is Sticks. I'm bringing you some loving energy. You guys can go ahead and meditate for the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Love, peace, I'm out.